Hello, today I'm in Ford Focus. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster, and to navigate it we are going to use this panel on the steering wheel. Press this button to go to menu. Press this button to navigate through current menu, and press this button to go back. Now let's take a look what we can find here. Firstly, we can find trip computer, my view. My view is our favorite setting. Driver assist menu, navigation, radio menu, phone menu, and settings. In settings, we can find informations like seat belts, auto start stop, my key, tire pressure, oil life. We can manage display settings, driver assistance, vehicle settings, and my key settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.